Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest release from Zorin OS, version 17.2. This Ubuntu-based distribution has been a favorite among Windows users and Linux newcomers, and it just got even better. Let's take a look at what's new, the awesome features, and why you might want to consider upgrading or switching to Zorin OS 17.2. Alright, so Zorin OS 17.2 has just been released, and it's packed with enhancements that make the desktop experience even more customizable and user-friendly. Whether you're a gamer, a professional, or just looking for a smooth Linux experience, this update has something for you. First up, let's talk about the big changes in this release. Zorin OS 17.2 is powered by the Linux kernel 6.8, coming straight from Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, codenamed Noble Numbat. This means you get better support for newer hardware, including Intel Core Ultra and AMD Zen 5 CPUs, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2030, and even the latest 40 series GPUs. Got a Lenovo laptop or some Logitech peripherals? No worries, they've got you covered too. You can now connect various gamepads like those from the Nintendo Switch, Google Stadia, and even the Lenovo Legion Go without a hitch. But that's not all. Zorin OS 17.2 also brings some fantastic customization options. The Zorin Appearance tool has been upgraded, making it easier than ever to tweak your desktop. You can now change your cursor theme and install additional themes with just a few clicks. There's even a new Windows section in Zorin Appearance, allowing you to customize the behavior of your windows like never before. Want your scroll bars to always be visible in full width? You got it. Perfect for those who prefer the classic computing environment. Zorin OS 17.2 also comes packed with updated software, including the latest LibreOffice 24.8. So whether you're working on documents, presentations, or spreadsheets, you'll have all the latest features at your fingertips. Plus, with built-in support for Flatpak, AppImage, and Snap packages, you can easily install any additional applications you might need. Now, you might be wondering, why should I upgrade? Well, if you're on Zorin OS 17 or 17.1, upgrading to 17.2 is as simple as installing the latest updates from the Software Updater utility. And if you're still on Zorin OS 16, you can perform an in-place upgrade. The best part? The Zorin OS 17 series will be supported with security patches and updates until June 2027, so you're all set for the long term. Zorin OS 17.2 is available for download right now from the official website. You can choose between the Core or Pro versions. The Pro version offers extra perks and is a great way to support the project. But if you're new to Zorin OS or just want to try it out, the Core version is perfect, so there you have it. Zorin OS 17.2 is a solid release with tons of improvements for new and existing users alike. If you're looking for a Linux distribution that combines the best of both worlds, powerful performance and easy customization, then Zorin OS 17.2 is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more Linux content. Drop a comment below if you're planning to upgrade or try Zorin OS 17.2. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.